welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie and today it is all about the neons. Look at this awesome pink. I've got a little neon yellow and we've got some neon orange going on. Now I am altering those Dollar Tree pumpkins. That's right, they're just $1.25 and I'm using all of these amazing folk art neon colors. Plus, I'm going to be using my tried and true favorite, Mod Podge with glitter. I'm going to show you how you can make your own glitter mixes. I love how these turned out. Look at all that awesome sparkle. They're so easy to do. And of course, I just used one of those little mini cauldrons from Dollar Tree also. All right, let's dive right into this project. I'm using pumpkins from Dollar Tree, chunky glitter, neon paints. I've got a little folk art home decor chalk and of course Mod Podge. Now I'm priming the pumpkin with that folk art home decor chalk and that just makes it so that the paint and all of the glitters will really stick to it. Make sure you paint those bottoms too. You never know where you're going to use these display pumpkins. Now I'm just painting each one of the pumpkins with 2 coats of the folk art neon paints. Now this orange one is actually a black light paint and that would be so cool to turn a black light on this. So go ahead and paint those. Don't worry about being too neat up at that stem because we're going to paint it black at the end. Now for these, I did have to do 2 coats. Now let's go ahead and make our glitter mixture. I'm using Mod Podge Extreme Glitter, and I'm just pooling some of that into a recycled container. I'm adding some loose, kind of chunky glitter that matches, and then some really chunky heart-shaped glitter. Now this is just for the pink. We're gonna go ahead and mix that up. And now I want to add a little bit of Mod Podge gloss, and that will just thin out my glitter mixture a tiny bit and make it go on smoothly. And then you just brush it on. So for the sides, I'm brushing it and tapping it like you see here. And at the tops, I'm doing a thick tap, really coating up that top because I really want extra sparkle up there. Now these don't look too pretty while they're drying, and look at how they look. There's just so much Mod Podge and glitter, but once they're dry, they're gorgeous. Now for those stems, we're gonna go ahead and paint those black, and I'm just using my brush to sort of outline the base of a stem. Now we're gonna add them to those Dollar Tree cauldrons. Look how cute this looks. So much sparkle. I love that chunky glitter on there. So modern and cute. My girls absolutely loved it when they saw these this morning. Love all of that sparkle and those neons for Halloween. Thanks so much for joining me today. I love how these neons turned out. Now, if these colors aren't for you, you can really do this in any color palette that you want. In fact, drop a comment and let me know what your favorite colors for Halloween are. I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week.